So I want to talk to you about knee extension exercises. Now, knee extension exercises are key after any knee surgery, okay? Primarily total knee replacement, but any knee surgery, I would say that ACL reconstruction surgery is also, it's just as important. But regardless, just for knee arthroscopy also, this is probably the hardest thing for patients to get, but it should be the easiest thing to get, and you need to get it early on. So, what I tell people to do is to rest their heel on a coffee table or a chair next to them and just rest their heel there. The key part of this is that your knee is out in space and gravity is pulling it down straight. The worst thing you want to do is rest with a pillow under your knee, because if you do that, then you'll come back to see me and you may think that your knee is straight. Well, it's hard to get it from here to there. And it's those last few degrees which are the hardest ones to get, but they're the most important. So, just rest with your heel on a chair next to you, or lay down on a bed and put two pillows under your heel, or rest your heel on a coffee table while you're sitting on the couch. But the key is to have the back of your knee out in space and let gravity do all the work. I tell people to do this 30 minutes, 3 times a day, putting forth no effort, just sitting there. Now, some people want to put a weight on their knee. The problem with putting a weight on your knee is that you can't take that for 30 minutes usually. If you can put a 1 or 2 pound weight on there and stand it for 30 minutes, that's great. But I would rather you have the time than the weight. So basically, don't say, well, I've been putting 5 pound weights on my knee, but I can only stand it for 30 seconds. Well, that's you really need the time, not the weight. So this is key after just about any knee surgery. This will help you get miles ahead on physical therapy. Especially after total knee replacement, you're given so many instructions by the therapist. Don't be confused by too many details. Get your knee straight and you'll be way ahead of the game.